5 seconds ha. I need ditang west. We're gonna push one side ha. We're gonna push one side. Defense now. East side ready. Hold them east. Come southeast push. We're gonna brawl. Southeast boys. Southeast. Come out. DPS. Northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Big lamp. Northeast. No, keep brawl northeast. Boys, come out. Keep brawl be stuck. I need the tanks on the back. Keep brawl be stuck south. Keep brawl be stuck southwest. I need the tanks north. Keep brawl the be stuck. Keep brawl the be stuck southwest. Boys. Keep brawl the be stuck southwest. Keep brawl west side 5. West side. Yo, he had my tanks at the back. Kamis now. We're gonna turn. So we're gonna turn western. East side. Heal my east. Northeast 5. Northeast 4. Northeast 3. In 2. In 1. Northeast. Keep brawl now. Spread now. Keep brawl. Spread. Northeast. I need one D tank west side. Keep brawl, man. 12 seconds we can engage, boys. Keep brawl these fuckers. Defensive ready. Defense ready. 5 seconds we can engage. West side, inside us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clap, boys. That's it, man. Push northeast. Push these fuckers, man. Push northeast. They're fucking running, man. Come northeast. We need to wipe this. Gago, kinuha nyo yung ano namin, ha. Gold ka sila. Wipe nyo to, man. Good Chito, oh. Yeah, kiss na boys. They might engage, ha. Careful. East side, 5. Inside us, 4. Inside us, 3, 2, 1. On this cam. Huwag ka mag-loot, man. May looter tayo, bro, eh. Ano ba yan, Alawid? Kill him.